Where is this item now? That question slows down any physical workflow. We use a repair shop as one example, but QR code status tracker also works for equipment, samples, orders, or any items that staff or customers follow through clear steps. The setup asks one useful question at a time. We keep this repair sheet, choose Generated QR labels, and turn on Let Customers See Progress. These are the default workflow steps: received, in progress, and ready for pickup. We save the setup, then create printable QR labels for the repair rows. The first repair now has a generated tracking code in the sheet. We carry that same visible code to the staff scanner. Staff can use the phone scanner away from the desk. We open it from the add-on and enter the generated code. One scan advances the repair to its next step and confirms the update immediately. Back in Sheets, we refresh the add-on and look up that same repair. Its current in-progress status and activity history are now visible inside the Sheets add-on. From that same item, Open Customer Status launches its private tracking link. The customer sees in progress without a Google account or access to the sheet. Repair tracking is just one example. Use QR code status tracker for any physical workflow where staff or customers need to follow items through clear steps. Install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace.